doing?
Okay.
I'm running to town again for supplies.
The 8-footer can go in the body. The 16's going to have to go up on the rack.
Yeah.
There's one strap with a buckle on it in the body. If you just put it on one side, make a loop around it, and you can go. There's anchor points in the body.
I'll show you that real quick.
Yeah, you're gonna have to show me.
All right. I don't know where the other ratchet strap went.
We have ours.
But
All right, cutie, come on.
Amanda went to go get us some more material. I'm bringing in our 10-foot floor joists that I cut the night before. And in order to get started, we got to make sure we start square. That way we end square. So the best way to do it is what's called the 3-4-5 method. And you get her nice and squared so you can begin. After we squared it up, Hercules is going down, measuring every 16 on center to put the layout for where each one of those floor joists are going to sit. And then, so I'm not wasting any time, I'm going around here framing each one of those windows. Make sure when you're doing your windows, you use your speed square. You want to make sure they're nice and flush, square, level, solid. It only took Hercules and I a few hours to finish this up. I hauled in the boards, examined which side I wanted you to see when you walked in the door. Bada bing, bada boom. Beautiful. Now that the floor is all up, we need a big post, a beam to support the whole floor system. I chose to use a red oak log, and here I'm using the draw shave to shave off all that bark right down to the wood. Super sharp, great tool for doing this. So tell me, Hercules, which way do you want the bottom?
the bottom can come this way toward the door. The opening, I should say. Not a real hard swing, but a reasonably hard one. Top again. Again.
Ho!
What are you doing now, Adam?
Playing with myself.
Alright, you want to come up and help me square these walls?
Sure. Do I need to bring anything up there?
Have you got a 30-foot tape measure?
Time to go upstairs and start our knee wall. So I had pre-cut all of those studs at 4 feet long. Hercules did the layout, every 16 on center. So I'll slide them into place. He's using the pneumatic air nailer, makes things go way faster, to put them in place. And then comes the plywood. And it's a lot easier if you put everything together while it's down. Like the wall is laying down while we build. Keeps everything flat, straight. It's obviously easier to work with than if you wanted to stand up the wood. Bad idea. So we bring over, about 2 sheets of plywood, line them up, nail them in. Really easy process there. But Hercules is a genius. He's been doing this almost 50 years, and there's nothing that man can't build. We're forever grateful for his help. My beautiful lady is back with the 2x8 16-foot rafters we need to build our roof.
that fly.
Hold on a minute. Hold on. Don't get your fucking panties in a pucker.
Panties in a pucker, huh?
Alright, now push your end out toward the wall, Adam. Nope, you gotta kick it out. Let it down a little bit. Yeah. There you go. Keep going. Keep going. Oh. Alright, now I'm going. Just walk with it. Nice and easy. We're not in a rush. Okay? Alright, now,
This plywood isn't very.
something on the plywood. You gotta kick out just a little bit on your bottom, Adam. Push
Push
the
it.
plywood.
That way?
Yes, to get out over. See where you're not out over?
Yeah.
Alright. Here we go. Out over now.
Jesus Christ. it's
Okay.
heavy.
Okay.
Now tip her up. Nice and easy. Tip her up.
That there would be about a 15-foot splat. Oh, oh, don't fall.
Yeah.
Don't fall, don't fall, don't fall.
Get a little closer to the outside
Yeah,
edge
you
if
can
you want
relax.
that.
It's sitting flat on the bottom.
Boy, somebody got some shiners on that one. Holy fuck. Alright, now I need to go down on Adam's end. Damn you, woman.
We need a couple of the Hercules love taps. Get this sucker a little closer to the wall. Come on, Hercules. Give me that tap tap. There is our 4-foot wall attached to the 8.5-foot first floor wall. Beautiful. Now we're going to go over to the other side, put that knee wall up, and there you have it. It's braced and up. What a view it is up here. My goodness. Loving this second story action. And now I got to put in all the joist hangers. There's a whole bunch of nails per one. It's an exhausting, time-consuming process. Has to be done. We spray painted those black. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. We're pretty excited. Our next video is going to be a giveaway. So make sure you are subscribed. Your notifications are on, so when we drop that new giveaway video, you're notified. Wishing you all the best. Till next time.